Today, we're going to look and see and use our Punnett square to find out why males tend to be linked with sexually linked recessive diseases compared to females. So we just have our basic 2x2 Punnett square here. So we have our dad, who gives an X and a Y chromosome, and we have our mom, who could give an X or an X chromosome. So these kids, their possible offspring right now, we have XX at the top left, XY, this would be a male, XX, and then another XY. So just looking at this, there's a 50% chance that it is male. Even though there's only one Y, it still translates to two of the boxes. So there's a 50% chance of male, 50% chance of female. So now, to find out what we're really looking for, we're going to make the mom a carrier of this disease. So this X, she's a carrier of a specific disease that's passed down from kid to kid. So now that this mom has this X right here, both of these are going to change. It's not going to be a blue X anymore. It's going to be a red one, which means that this daughter right here, since she has two X's, she's going to be a carrier for it. She has one good, one bad. The male, on the other hand, only has one X chromosome, which means he will have that disease. And then the other two possible offsprings are still clean. To take this another step further, and we're going to say that this mom actually has the disease and is not just a carrier for it, we're going to change up this too. So now if the mom is actually having the disease while this child is being made, we can see that another daughter is going to be red X, blue X. But now we see that the other male combination is going to be red X, blue Y, which is another thing that means the kid will have the disease. So if we look at this, both of the daughter combinations are only going to be a carrier for the disease. Well, if we look at the males, since they have one X chromosome that comes from mom in this case, they will have the disease. So no matter what, the male in this exact combination will be affected from the mom and her disease, and the females will not. So we can see how it changes with the two X's and the one X between male and female.